And girls, so I'm a common guy from the crowd who is making a very small change in the society so that one day I can make it a bigger one that we all need. So today is 10th October, it's World Mental Health Day, and few months back, 2-3 months back, we all were talking about mental or emotional issues that we all are going through, especially during this pandemic time. So again, now here we are. Like today, uh, there's no talk. There's minimal talk that is happening in the society about mental issues or emotional issues. So anyway, my point is we never want to solve any problem. Not this problem only, but any problem we never want to solve it. We do talk about what is happening instead of talking about how we can make it better, how we can change it for better. So we all are you all know we talk about corruption, we talk about mental issues, we talk about physical fitness, we talk about rape, we talk about poverty, we talk about racism, discrimination, and so on. There are lots of things that we all talk about, but again we just talk about all the issues that are happening around us. Instead, I think we should talk about how to stop it or how to make this situation better instead of just going with the same thing. What we are doing, we are keeping the same thing again and again. So anyway, we were talking before, we are talking now, and I think we all will be talking about it in future time also. So instead of talking, I think we should start working on it so that we can actually solve the problems that we all go through. There is not only one problem in the society. Mental health, mental issues, emotional issues is not the only one thing that we want to change or uh, we want to finish. There are lots of things that we really need to have to work on. So I'm sorry, I'm not part of this circus that you all are part of, and I'm making a very small change, small impact in the society in the hope of making it a bigger one. I hope you all become the part of the same one day. Stay tuned, stay in touch, you talk. I'm working on a solution. Happy World Mental Health Day again, and please do talk about it. Please do talk about how we can solve the issue instead of just talking about what is going on. We all know what is going on. We all know who is doing it. We all know everything. We need to think about the solution now, because I guess this is really high time to make a change.